Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can log in Credit Karma account. So let's jump right in. First, open any web browser on your computer. I'll be using Google Chrome for this example. Now, go to the address bar at the top and type in www.creditkarma.com, then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the official homepage of Credit Karma. Once the website loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be taken to the login page. Here, you need to enter the email address that you used when signing up for Credit Karma. Right below that, type in your password. Make sure you enter both correctly. If you ever forget your password, you can click on the Try Another Way link just below the login fields to reset it. Once you've entered your login details, click on the Login button. If the information is correct, you'll be logged into your Credit Karma account and taken to your dashboard, where you can view your credit score, reports, and other features.